back to my channel. This is Ritika. I know it's been a long time coming, but we are coming up with a proper positive energy vibe. Honestly, it's been a long time. तभी we are doing this What's Been Up video, जहाँ पर मैं अपना skin care करने वाली हूँ, and we're gonna talk about my life. So let's get started. First of all, we're gonna secure my hair with these clips. ये clips मैंने ली थी इतना सोच के कि you know they look cute while I like record my videos and all. Not worth it. इनमें ना मतलब resistance नहीं है. वैसे तो ठीक है, but टिक गई ना. Okay, so hate अगर नहीं चल रही है तो modern problems have a Gossip Girl solution, and since we are a Blair Waldorf fan, we're gonna use a headband. If you know me, you know how much I love coffee, but we are not taking coffee today because I'm shooting it in the night and I'm okay. So first things first, we are gonna take ice. We're gonna do a little ice massage. We're gonna just rub it around. Yes, so I was saying कि मैं 24 years की 24 years, wow. So I was saying कि मैं 24 साल की हो चुकी हूँ and I've realized that coffee रात में नहीं पीनी चाहिए. And I have been dealing with a lot of, you know, that I have been very sleep deprived and all. That's why I've realized that कुछ भी हो, you should really find a good sleep. I would not do that too much क्योंकि वरना मेरा फेस जो है वो बहुत ज़्यादा रेड टर्न कर जाता है. नॉट इवन पिंक, इट जस्ट टर्न्स रेड, लाइक रेड. वी आर गोना बिगिन विद this serum. I've been using this Torton Keys vitamin C serum. Really working out for me, just saying. Okay, so let's finally start. What has been up? There has been a lot of changes lately. I have literally been shedding my skin like snakes होते हैं ना, वो अपनी skin shed करते हैं. They keep on evolving, and I think that's how I have also seen myself as. There is a person who I knew 3 years back who was also me, but a very different me. And now what I am, I'm a very different me. We will begin with how I have gotten into meditation and, you know, spirituality, perhaps a little bit of law of attraction. Mostly it's like, you know, being positive, looking out for good and thinking positive, entering to the situations that are not serving me. But this has just come like anything. Like I've had my spiritual awakening previous year, I would say, and this year I planned that I'm going to be consistent with that. Secondly, meditation and paying gratitude. Before going to sleep, I always make sure that, you know, I am paying gratitude to even the smallest things. I know this sounds very much, oh my god, fancy, but no, it is not until you literally practice it daily. And even on my worst days, did I deserve? I have to get Taylor Swift out of my head. It's like all the time, you know, I am just thinking about her songs and just connecting any situation to Taylor Swift, which is just not good. Doing affirmations daily, you know, making yourself feel positive is the best thing that you can do for yourself. It's not like I don't listen to sad songs or I am always like listening to it girl songs. No, it doesn't matter. I am honestly very much of a sad person, if I have to be very honest. Why I was not posting on YouTube was one of the reasons that I was feeling that, you know, my life should be very much private. I have become like a person who would be like कि यार ये चीज़ ठीक है, अपने तक रहे, it's better. मेरी लाइफ में मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कुछ ऐसा चल नहीं रहा है कि मैं उसको ऐसे रेसिप्रोकेट करूँ. मेरी लाइफ में बहुत कुछ चल रहा है गाइस. मेरी लाइफ में बहुत कुछ चल रहा है. Second thing, since I would say 2024 has started, I have gone through 2 haircuts and 1 hair color, and it's been only 4 months. So imagine कितना ज़्यादा डेडिकेशन लगा है मुझे हर मंथ कुछ ना कुछ न्यू एक्सप्लोर करने में. ऑन जनवरी नियर माई बर्थडे मैंने हेयर कट लिया. फिर उसके बाद मैंने मार्च में मैंने हेयर कलर करवाया. फिर अप्रैल में मैंने फिर से मार्च में ही मैंने हेयर कट लिया फिर से. So first time I got the haircut because it was my birthday. Second, when I got the hair color. It was मेरे college में एक event था where they were like serving free hair color and I was like, you know, let's try it. Me and my friend was like, you know, let's just go, let's just try. And third, I was going to Mumbai and I have realized that I have always been in Mumbai with bangs. So Bombay bangs has been my thing. तो मैंने सोचा कि जब हर बार मैं बैंक्स के साथ ही बॉम्बे जाती तो इस बार भी बैंक्स के साथ ही बॉम्बे जाऊंगी ना. Too much. Videos make me feel like as if मैं Vogue Beauty में, you know, अपने ऐसे वो देख रही हूँ. I'm the Kendall Jenner and I'm like, and you know guys, now we're gonna have like a face wash. उसकी recent video was very good. Talking about Bombay, I went to Ed Sheeran's concert and definitely that was one of the best days I've ever had. Honestly, Ed Sheeran was amazing. We also saw Diljit Dosanjh. Oh my god, that was not on the list. मैं सुबह ही अपने फ्रेंड से बोल रही थी कि यार मतलब वी हैव बिन रिसेंटली ना सुनिधि चौहान के कॉन्सर्ट में वी वेंट टू जीजी एंड वी वेंट टू वन मोर कॉन्सर्ट. आई अटेंड लाइक 5 कॉन्सर्ट्स इन लाइक 2 months. तो वो वाला बहुत ज़्यादा कॉन्सर्टी मंथ हो गया था हमारे लिए. एंड आई वॉज लाइक, यू नो, कि हम लोग इतने ज़्यादा कॉन्सर्ट्स में जाते रहते हैं. आई थिंक वी शुड ऑल्सो गो टू दिलजीत दोसांझ वन. एंड मैं लिटरली सुबह ही बोला था मैंने. एंड नेक्स्ट आई सी इज दैट कि भाई वो सरप्राइज परफॉर्मेंस आ गया एकदम से. एंड I was shocked. I was shouting, bhai. I was shouting there. I think my manifestation powers are going stronger or something. I should manifest good things, guys. Okay, most of you who follows me on Instagram might know that I've started my master's journey. I am pursuing masters in public relations and events management because I feel that education is very important, no matter what. This is so good. I love water. Like, I love water. Any sort of water is my favorite thing. As much as I love coffee, I love water. एक साइड में dehydrate होती हूँ, एक साइड में hydrate होती हूँ. Let's keep it going. Okay, one major change. If you are very close to me, or I don't know, if you are very close to me, मैं तुम्हें बता देती हूँ. I have been very terrified of dogs. Very. My best friend has a dog और जब भी मैं उसके घर भी जाती हूँ मैं उसको बोलती थी कि प्लीज़ उसको ले जा. I cannot stand. मतलब वो भौंकता था, वो मेरे पे चढ़ता था and I could not stand that. Honestly, मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसे लगता था. Somehow I've become a dog lover. Don't know what has happened. हम लोग मनाली ट्रिप पे गए थे और मनाली ट्रिप पे there was a dog and I don't know what happened to me. I started petting all of my family members, my cousins along with. सब लोग बहुत शॉक थे कि you know what is she doing and what has happened to her, how is she doing that. I'm gonna shut up because I have to leave this club for a while. Yeah, so I was saying that उस ट्रिप पे I don't know what happened. मैं पेट कर रही हूँ और मेरी पूरी फैमिली शॉक्ड है and they were like कि क्या हो गया इसको. And after that I thought maybe it's like a one time thing. I found intriguing. I found called कि you know I have to pet that dog. But मैं जब वहाँ से वापस आई हूँ, oh god, there has been a massive change. I've been petting all the dogs. And now I'm gonna have a dog. मैंने उसका नाम भी सोच लिया है. Saw this hack very effective. So I'm using this L'Oreal's glycolic bright acid. glycolic bright serum. You can use a hyaluronic serum as well. So I saw this girl doing ki, she's like applying a serum on her lip first. So you apply a serum on your lip and then you just leave it for some time and then you use lip balm. Okay, so I've been obsessed with these two lip balms, like hands down obsessed with this is Laneige and this is a Victoria's Secret Sugar High flavored lip gloss. This smells like coconut, oh my god, and this smells like berries. I'm gonna use the Laneige one today. It gives me a good plum lips. So that hack was also for, the plum lips. So when you wake up in the morning, you'll have like good, plump, cute lips. Although we're sleeping, but why not? I'll just curl up my eyes a little bit. My eyes are like not too bad, but I think I'm still gonna do that. I was saying that I have a very fun thing to tell you as well. So I did a very daring thing this year, which was dipping my face into a minus 15 degrees temperature water. We were in Manali and I really love cold weathers. So when I was there, I was like, ऐसे पानी बह रहा था and it was very cold. Like उसमें पैर भी डालो तो जम जाएगा, ऐसे वाला पानी था. And मैंने पापा को ना ऐसे बोला, मैंने कहा पापा इसमें ऐसे मुंह डालूं, ऐसे तमाशा मूवी की तरह ऐसे फिल्मी बन जाओ पूरी. तो my dad was like, are you kidding me? तो मैंने कहा अरे I can do it. And my पापा ना supports my मतलब अटरंग शटरंग चीजें a lot. And he was like ठीक है कर लो. And I did it and my face turned red, like red. It was an immense experience, like honestly, if you also want to do it, do it. Some of my male friends have a very good eyelashes and I am always like, you don't deserve those lashes. And why is it कि लड़कों की lashes ज़्यादा अच्छी होती है लड़कियों से? This is like not good, right? This is not good. Okay, there's one thing that I do. I always make sure that I'm smelling good, even if I'm going to sleep. I don't know, you never know कि रात में आपको रणबीर कपूर मिल जाए, so you have to like smell good all the time. Just kidding. So yeah, that was my skincare routine. We did all of the steps and I don't really do like a lot of steps, but just very necessary things only. I think I'm going to be back on YouTube more now, but मैं तभी videos बनाऊंगी जब I will feel called towards it, because I feel YouTube is one thing where I am very true to myself. Instagram पे still, I'm just doing this, I'm doing that, maintaining aesthetics and whatnot. But YouTube really makes me feel happy. I really like talking to the camera. If you guys know me, I really do. So yes, let me know what more things you would want to see on this channel and I'll bring it to you. Until then, I'll see you in the next video. Toodles!